That is the out-in kick. Again, see? At again, level, okay? Yung sipa mo, dapat lumalampas at least sa chest level yun. And when you twist, okay, hindi mo inaalis ang tingin sa harapan. Okay, so again, let's see. Okay, ang in-out, okay, when you perform the inside-out, the body does not really twist. Okay, pala lang halos ang gumagalaw, unlike the out-in kick na nag-twist. Okay, so guys, that is what we call those are the last of the basic. The next one.